Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Tuesday, November 17th. I hope you're all having a great day today. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can go ahead and have a seat. Our virtue this week is integrity. If you just stood up and took the Pledge of Allegiance very seriously and respectfully, you just showed integrity, because I didn't give you a reminder to do that. So thumbs up to those of you who did a good job on the Pledge of Allegiance today, and give yourselves a little pat on the back because you just showed integrity. You are the person who's telling yourself how to make the right choices. Remember, this goes with the thing we talked about yesterday, doing the right thing when nobody's watching. And we used a real example from my childhood. And I had to tell you the truth because I wanted to show integrity that I didn't handle that situation well. Well, today we're just going to do a fake situation. This one did not really happen to me, but it might have happened to some of you. So here's the scenario. I come home and I walk into the kitchen and I ask my mom, "Hey, Mom, can I have some of my Halloween candy? I'm starving." And my mom says, "Oh, no candy right now. It's almost time for dinner." So after that, I go play for a couple minutes, and then I come back into the kitchen. And what do I see? My Halloween candy sitting out, and my mom is nowhere around. I'm just in the kitchen by myself, and I see all of the candy. What should I do? You can go ahead and discuss this one with your class. I am not going to come back on after you talk today, so just go ahead and talk about this one with your class, and I will see you all around the campus. Have a great day, Achieve.